Hello everyone, welcome again for our second lesson. This is Norman Zulu. I am your trainer for today. We're going to learn how you can put your font type, font size, manipulate your text alignment, how to bold your text and aligning it, and putting maybe the text in italic or putting some color. For example, you have written the text and you want to apply some colors. So we're going to show you how you're going to do it. And your line spacing, your text, all will be shown here. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to save your document, be able to type, be able to locate where your document is. I hope in the first lesson Joel taught you how to save your document, how to type a document, so I'm not going to repeat it. So first thing first, let's first get back to our desktop and see how we can locate our Word, Microsoft Word. This is my search box. I can just write here Microsoft. It is right up there. We're going to use Microsoft Word. I click on it and let me enlarge it. So that's it. It has taken us to a blank space where we can do anything we want. But first, you have to save your file. You click here, you come here with this file, or you can even use a shortcut by clicking Ctrl S. Takes you where you can save your file. We start by giving a name of our file. By default, here it is written doc2. So we can change this one. Let me say lesson 2. That's the name of our file. So we get where we can save the file. There are many options. You can choose desktop, downloads, document, whatever. But let's take desktop. This is where we're going to save our file. Then you click save. The file name already has another file with the same name, so we can change this one to lesson ICT Hub. Let me say ICT Hub lesson 2. That's the name of our file. Yeah, it is already saved right up there, and we can now start typing anything. Let me say yesterday it was a good day because it did not rain in the morning. It was a good day because it did not rain in the morning. Full stop. I was able to go to the garden very early in the morning. Very early in the morning. Okay, in the morning. Okay, this is our text. Let's say I am, or let's say this is Norman. Comma, I am your trainer for today. Okay, trainer for today. Then full stop. That's our text. Now we look at how we can bold this text. Remember, before applying any kind of change, you have to highlight your text. Then you come here where it is written B. You click on it. That's how you can bold. Understand? There's something written here, I. If you want to put in italic, you click here. If you want to underline all this text, remember you have to highlight your text before applying any kind of change. If you want to underline, you come here and you click on underline. There's also an option here. If you click on drop down arrow, it's going to give you a lot of options. it depends on your choice. If you want to choose a single straight line or a double straight line or a one bold straight line, it's your choice, or a dotted line, it's your choice. For this case, we are using this one. This is our underline text. Yeah, that's it. And you can also remove all these changes by again clicking on bold. You already unbolded the text. If you want to remove the italic, you click on italic again. If you want to remove the line, you click on that again. So our text is back to normal. Let's look at font type. How we can manipulate the font type. Again, you have to highlight. You have to highlight your text, and this is where you can find the font type. This one is already in Calibri. You can click on the drop down button. For this case, let's choose Times New Roman, but there are so many font types here. It's your choice again, but this Times New Roman is commonly used by many people. Let's take it, and this is where you get the font size. For this case, it is already 11, but we can still change it to the font size we want. For example, 12. Okay, our font size is 12. The font type is Times New Roman. That's it. When we come to text alignment, this is what we're going to do. This text already it is having left alignment, so we can highlight it. This is where you can get the left alignment. If you want to put the text in the center, we come right here, center, then you click. You can also use a shortcut by pressing Ctrl E. Ctrl plus E takes you to the center. Okay, our text is already in the center. If you want to maybe take it or put the right alignment, still we're going to highlight everything here, then click on this. Our text is already in the right alignment. Maybe you want to justify your text. Again, you still highlight all your text, then you come right here and you click justify. You understand? Our text is already justified. And not forgetting line spacing. This is what we're going to do. This is where you can get the line spacing you want. For this case, let's highlight and click the drop down arrow. This line spacing already is 1.15, but still we can change. We can come to 1.15. Our line spacing has changed to 1.15. It depends on maybe when you're applying for a job and they have told you to use a spacing of 1.15. This is how you're going to do it. That's it. Coloring. Maybe you want to put some color, like let me say you want to put a heading here. There's a heading here, today's lesson. Okay, today's lesson. This is our heading, and I want to take it to the center. I already taught you how to take it. Yep. Again, I want to bold it. Come right here, bold it. I want to apply some color. This is where you're going to get the color. Okay, choose whatever color you want. Let me choose blue. That's it. Simple as it is. I think we have come to the end of our lesson. Thank you so much for giving in your time and sacrificing your data. Next time we're going to bring you more lessons. Thank you.